Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've been getting a little bit of rain here the past day or so, which is good. We've been needing it. It's not rained in weeks. It's been super dry, super dry, and super hot. So now it actually feels like fall out here. So I have a hoodie on for a change. I haven't worn one of these in a while, and I was beginning to think I wasn't going to wear one in the fall here. It's been so hot, but we went from like, you know, summer to like immediately boom, you know, went from like having temperatures of 105 to like one day, and the very next day it was like 65. Not complaining. I enjoyed the warm. I enjoy the fall temperatures. Not looking forward to winter, but you know, we'll manage that one when it comes, because it will eventually. So flew with my buddy Bill Nice yesterday, posted a little bit from that on Instagram. That was kind of fun, and flew in kind of a new spot that was kind of cool. I definitely need to get back down there and do that some more, but it's, you know, it's a little bit of a drive, not terrible drive, you know, 40 minutes or something, but more than I typically like to drive to fly for myself. I like to be close, convenient, but you know, to get different places I'm gonna have to drive a little bit, I guess. Anyways, didn't go through all my batteries. We kind of were dodging the rain yesterday too, and so I've still got a couple of batteries left, and I wanted to kind of go through those and just kind of want to do a little playing around with GoPro settings a little bit. I've been flying with my GoPro set to like 1440p, which is what I use. It's a 4x3 setting. I use that for recording with real steady. Sorry, I'm kind of watching, they're doing some sort of construction or something here, and they've got people with things stopping it. Anyways, so I've been flying with that, and I've been flying that like at 60 frames a second, and then, you know, I like to post at, you know, a lot lower frame rate. And I've actually, if you've been paying attention, I've been actually posting at like 24 FPS on a lot of my stuff. For some reason I kind of like it, I don't know. But what I've been noticing with the 60 FPS, I've been having to convert that to Super View, and I've been using GoPro's app to convert it, and that works, but I don't know, my quad doesn't feel like I'm seeing in the video. In the video I'm seeing some, I don't know, it seems like bobbles or something. I don't know, it's not really bobbles, but it's like stuttery, and maybe that's the conversion to 24 FPS. I'm not 100% sure. So, but I don't really see that when I was in the real steady stuff that way. I wasn't noticing it. So I'm not 100% sure there with that. Maybe the real steady stuff is kind of fixing some things when it converts. I'm not 100% sure there. Anyways, I wanted to do some testing, and I put my camera back to Super View, 1080p Super View, 30 FPS, which is what I used to record everything in, and always liked it. So that's what I want to do today. I want to test recording 1080p Super View, 30 FPS, flying up here at the lake a little bit, and I kind of want to see what the footage looks like. So we're up here at the lake now, and there is absolutely nobody up here, which I kind of figure would be the case since it's been rainy and it's cold. Kudos for rain and cold for that reason, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna test this out and see what I think about the footage, and maybe try some different tricks or something. I don't know, we'll see. I was just watching the RotorRiot episode with what Vanover's calling the Vanny roll, which is his little signature thing where he kind of yaw spins, going backwards, and rolls as he's going backwards, and then kind of does a, you know, kind of a yaw out of it or something. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, different ways he exits out of it, but yeah, I've kind of done some of that stuff before, I think, with some of mine. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe way back when. Anyways, maybe I'll try some of that here too. We'll see. And let's get to fun. So what better way to try out stuff than after it's rained and everything's good and wet and mushy. That makes Makes the flying interesting because you don't want to crash, because you definitely don't want to land in this muck. Thankfully it's not terrible. It's not been like heavy rain, so it's not like super saturated, and where the ground's been so dry, and it really just kind of soaked it up, I guess, and it's not not soft and mushy yet, which is good. We'll see how this goes. No DVR today with this. Been having a weird issue with the DVR thing. Apparently, it causes my goggles to go black sometimes. That's been the problem that I've been seeing with it. And kind of pinned it down yesterday when I was flying with Bill. He suggested I was having this weird thing. It was like black, nothing looked wrong on there. And the other quad I had with me was, I was getting black, so I knew it wasn't the camera then. I was thinking there was something wrong with my cable going to my camera or something. And so he was like, maybe it's your DVR. So I unplugged the DVR, powered the goggle on, whoop, everything's all hunky-dory. And he goes, maybe you just need to plug in later. I said, nope, not worth it. I gotta work, and I don't need any issues with something going black on me, especially flying in an area I hadn't flown in. So I'm gonna leave that alone for now until I kind of pin down what's going on with that. Something weird, definitely. I don't need DVR that badly, and if I ever do, I'll just get me some different goggles, I think, that have it built in, so that I don't have to fool with that. And this is probably weird for some people. I put my patch on my main one over here, and then my vertical, and it's all because of just placement of the way these things are. Convenience for me. Nothing better or worse in either one. It's just convenience with that.
Welcome to Open TX. Switch warning.
And I don't really have a switch warning. I do, but it's not. I have a switch that doesn't always register, but I never use it, so it's not like it's a big deal. But just kind of an annoyance. On that. Close up in my pants there. I'm sure you'll love that. Listen, this is the kind of long it takes to initialize when it's been cold. Notice. Is that not the weirdest thing with the starter tones? Anybody else have that problem? Now, once I've ran it, it's fine. Like the rest of the time, once it's warmed up, it's like, it's almost like the DJI stuff, you know, where it's like finding the satellites the first time, like that cold boot or something they call it. Sounds weird. Anyways, I'm not too worried about it. It doesn't affect the flying. It flies fine. It's just weird. feel good.
Telemetry lost.
That felt good. Loved it. Alright, maybe we'll hook up a stick cam here. Alright, here, let's clap. So, get my hands here. There we go. Sync those up that way. Okay. Put this on here.
Telemetry recovered.
All right. Stick out there. All right, guys. This should be fun. Oh, we got that all good. Goggles look good. It's got some positioned. Oh, where I want to be. There we go. All right. Yeah, let's rip out of here. All right. Man, gotta watch these power lines. Man, they're like bad. I hate this. So good. Let's see. These trees, goddamn. Over the tops. Let's go like down in. Ooh, yeah. Oh, watch out. There we go. Back in through here. Come up under these. Trees here, low below the power line, out to the gazebo, up and over. Don't hit it. Get close there. Trees coming together. Now watch this power line. Hey. Smell. Through there. Woo! That was close. Don't want to eat the trees today. The plane eat the trees. Today I don't want to eat trees with my quad today. And over. Under. Watch out, power lines. Woo! Boy, those were close. Dang. Let's come over by this. Hello. Over the power line. There they are. And dive the tree. Water a little bit there. Ooh, that's a neat gap there, but ain't no way to make it through that gap. Let's come up under this here. What are these trees? Oh, air car. Where he's at? Where's he at? Sure yet. Oh, come on. Now he's in my dive hole over there. Chasing. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. How are you doing? How are you doing? What you doing? You want to say hi? Oh, he's gonna stop. Battery's getting low. nope. Battery's dead. Forgot to reset my timer. Oh, all right, let's go and get him. So that was pretty fun. See my timer there? You guys noticed it probably the whole time I'm flying, and I didn't notice it. Oh, I don't have OSD on this thing. So,
Telemetry lost.
no OSD, so I wasn't paying attention to how long I was flying there. I should have noticed my flight time was like 4 minutes. Or how long I'd been plugged in. So, definitely should have been watching that. That was fun. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that little tidbit there. That's kind of fun to do. Let's try one more, I think. Maybe another one. All right, this is kind of fun. All right, we'll stop this one. And now we'll let go. Let's keep recording. I'll just sync them all up there later. Where'd the other battery go? There it is. I got a couple more batteries. We're not going to fly them both though.
Switch warning.
Alright, timer is reset now. Alright. Let's get our pack on here. Alright. Somebody walking over there. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Alright. Where'd they go? Okay. They are going up that way. Alright. So situate here. Just have to be watching for them. Over to the gazebo. Don't feel like flying through it today. I'm just in a mood that I think I'm going to hit something. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Had to hold that one out to make sure that gap under that tree. Tops and around. Watch out that power line there, Stacy. I was right in line for it. Man, those suckers are tight through there. They make it so difficult. Where's that person? There's the garbage guys. I gotta watch out for their little trail thing to get set up. Back in there. Oh, dang it! What's up? And I got some passengers here. I'm looking at, oh, there's a flop. You can probably hear it. Still hear it, man. Get that off there. Oh, what did I bring along with me? Oh, yeah, let's see if I can get it in the shot here. Do y'all see it? I brought me a little pine tree along. Alright, I think I got just a little bit left on my battery. Yeah, I got just a few seconds. Alright, let's finish this battery out real quick. That was funny. That was funny. Alright, here we go. Let's finish the last little pack right here. dive down through there. That was tight. Look at my car. Back through the trees. Not a building there. I would have went over to the power line right there. It drives me nuts. Alright, we'll go through this. We'll have to do that at least once, right? And I got just a little bit of battery left here. And then dang it. Nope. Looking like something loose. The video is awful. I'm just gonna land. Video is awful. Alright, get my glasses here. Oh. I got some water or something in there. Go unplug him before we have any damage. Make sure I didn't destroy anything.
Telemetry lost.
Alright. He's unplugged. The antenna looks good. Oh, it looks okay. Alright. We'll clean this lens off here. Maybe. Alright. Alrighty. Alright. Sit this guy down. Alright. And we'll stop recording this one. Alright. Alright. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. That was fun. So, I'm going to try to do more of these vloggy things and recording while I'm flying and all that kind of stuff more often, I think. Hope you guys enjoy my little flying there. Pushing it a little bit more, hearing me while I'm flying, and dodging all that stuff. Crazy, man. These power lines, I tell you, look at this. So, somebody said they run them inside there so it's more natural. Well, I don't think it has anything to do with being natural. I think it's just pure laziness. So, we got a pole right here, and then we got power line coming off of that. It runs over that way over to a pole in the middle there, and then that pole runs over to there. Now, they could have ran these things underground. I mean, look. So, like, we got a pole here. There's stuff running up underground here. Why run those over top? Just laziness, because it's more convenient. You know, requires a little more work to run them down up underground and keep them nice and neat. So, yeah, it drives me nuts. And then, like these out here, these out here, which you can't even see when you're looking at them here. You can't see them, but let's get over closer. They are like freaking like, I don't know, 15 feet off the ground maybe, something like that. I mean, they're like sagging, and they've gotten worse over the years. They used to be up, but as the years have went on, they've sagged more and more, and I'm not sure why, because the poles haven't moved as best I can tell. So, since the poles haven't moved, I don't know why the power lines have moved, but look, I mean, look. They're right there. I can almost reach them. If I was athletic, I could probably jump and touch them. Probably could jump and touch them back in the day when I used to be able to dunk. Yeah, white guy, I could dunk. When I was in high school, fun side story here. So, give you all this little side fun story. So when I was in high school, couldn't jump to save my life. You know, terrible. And a friend of mine, he gave me this little pamphlet thing that he had gotten. That was, I don't know, he got like on one of these magazines or something. You know, you remember those things way back in the day? They'd be like, you know, you too can do this, X, Y, Z, whatever it is, or you can be this, and just send us, you know, $10 for whatever it is, right? I don't know how much it was. Anyways, oh, we're starting to rain now. Good timing. So he gave me this pamphlet, and it was a thing on how to increase your jump in like a really short period of time. And basically what it boils down to is you were doing isometric exercises. If you don't know what those are, look those up. really good exercises actually. So I started doing those, and then coupled with that, you would do a little bit of interval running. Like you would do your isometrics every day. I think it was every day. I might be wrong on that. I'm pretty sure you did them every day, or you did different ones each day or something. And then like 3 times a week, you were doing these, like this sprint running, walk, sprint running, walk, sprint running, walk type routines that you do a bunch of times. And that's supposed to increase your jumping. So I was doing those, and it was really made a difference. But then what really kicked it in was I bought a set of ankle weights, 5-pound ankle weights, so 5 pounds on each leg. And I started wearing those when I walk around, and then more importantly, I would wear those for a while when I would be like playing basketball with my buddies. And you take them off, and it feels like he's walking on clouds. And so I did those with the isometrics and that interval, you know, sprint, walk type running a couple times a week. And I got to where I could jump from a stand straight up, 2-hand dunk it. I mean, I don't know what my vertical was, but it was high. And I could seriously jump. I mean, put my head, you know, the bottom of my head up next to the goal. And so I'm a little over 6 feet tall. So I guess I have almost a 4-foot vertical. So definitely works. And, you know, kept my weight down. I was lean and mean. I weighed about 170, I think. 165, 170. I was skinny. I'm like 185 now. But I was like 165, 170. And muscle, man, just pure muscle. I was a nerd too, looked like a nerd, but I could play basketball. So yeah, that's a little side story there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tidbit, this fun stuff here with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go out and do something good. Go be the good people you guys are. Go have some fun today, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.